You don't need thousands of dollars or a full garage to upgrade your car. Today we're looking at 3 low-cost, high-impact car mods you can install yourself, all under $100. That'll completely change the way your car feels, drives, and even sounds. These aren't gimmicks. These are the DIY mods real drivers swear by, and you probably haven't done them yet. First up, a short throw shifter, or for automatics or semi-manuals, a shifter bushing upgrade. Now, most people think a car mod needs to add horsepower, but here's the thing, this mod makes your car feel faster. Factory shifters, especially on budget or older cars, tend to be loose, long, and vague. A short throw kit or a set of polyurethane bushings tightens that slop and gives you clean, crisp gear changes. Suddenly, every shift feels mechanical, controlled, and purposeful. Install time, around an hour. Tools, a socket set and some elbow grease. Cost, between $50 and $90, depending on your car. Add in some lithium grease or thread locker and you're golden. You'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Second, let's talk about sound deadening, a mod that might not seem exciting but dramatically changes your driving experience. If your car is older or built on a budget, chances are road noise is a constant background annoyance. Cheap tires, bare doors, and thin firewalls turn your cabin into a mobile echo chamber. Adding just a few sheets of sound deadening mat to your door panels, trunk, or floor can reduce noise by 3 to 5 decibels. That may not sound like much, but it's the difference between fatigue and comfort on long drives. You'll hear your music better, conversations get easier, your ride just feels more solid. Brands like Noiko and Killmat make it affordable. Around $40 to $80 gets you enough for 2 to 4 doors. And no, you don't need to strip your whole interior. Focus on high vibration areas like inner doors or rear wheel wells. Just peel, stick, roll, and enjoy the quiet. And last, the mod that makes you feel like a race car driver. A pedal spacer or heel toe kit. Most factory pedals are spaced too far apart for smooth heel-toe driving. Even if you don't track your car, being able to rev match on downshifts gives you smoother braking, less drivetrain shock, and a whole new sense of control. These small kits usually bolt onto your gas pedal to bring it closer in line with the brake. They cost around $25 to $50, and installation takes maybe 15 minutes with a hex wrench. You'll notice the change immediately, especially if you drive a manual. Even automatics with manual mode benefit from more natural pedal engagement. It's not just performance, it's feel, and it's 100% worth it. None of these mods will win you dyno sheets or Instagram clout, but they will transform the way your car drives and feels. And for under $100 each, you can knock out all 3 in one weekend and still have money left for gas. So, which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more no BS, budget-friendly car tips, subscribe and hit that bell. We've got more upgrades, DIY breakdowns, and real-world advice on the way. Remember, wrench smart, not rich.